Taro for love, guys, and welcome back to another cooking episode here on our channel. Just want to say it's great to have you guys on board. We're starting a little bit earlier than usual today. The time is 4:53 a.m. Just gonna have a bit of coffee first. Ooh, it's good, it's good. Then we'll head over to the Muka to prep the omu. So we started a little bit earlier than usual today because we've got a big family toonai and just want to get the omu over and done with so we can start on the other cooks, on the other dishes as well. So I hope you guys enjoy. We'll try to talk when we can, but it's gonna be mostly all hands on deck today. So less talk and more cooking. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. We'll see you in a bit. So because I knew we were going to start early this Sunday, I went in advance Saturday evening to clean up all the breadfruit and the tar to make things easier on Sunday morning.
that you've been hurt one too many times before. Ended up staring in the bathroom mirror, crying on your bedroom floor. Baby, you can take my word, you haven't gotta hurt no more. Things about to get much better. I wanna make this forever. I wanna make this forever. Said that you felt lost 100 times before, going in circles on a one-way street, running till your feet get sore. But I guess you haven't heard, you ain't got around no more. Things about to get much better, so I wanna make this forever. 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 I wanna make this said that you've been hurt.
Alright, so Umu now on, probably 35 minutes, and then get it out.
No more. Things about to get much better. I wanna make this forever. I wanna make this forever. Said that you felt
guys. So just finished Domu, and now we're just gonna head off and cook some stuff. So fingers crossed we get all of it done. See you soon. All right. So we've got the PP. Gonna mix up a sui PP. We've got the mamui. We're gonna make a stir fry with the cabbage, and then we've got the chicken. We're gonna make a roast chicken. So we've got Jay and Roy on the beat, and yeah, not that much to cook, but running short on time. So that's why we did Domu early in the morning, because we got a lot of things to get over with. So fingers crossed we make it, guys. Stay tuned. Signature roast chicken dish. So we've already got the mamui on for the stir fry. Got PP for the chop suey. It's going along well. Just need to prep the veggies. Finish it all the hula. I'm just gonna put a lid on this for later. Alright. Alright guys, sorry I left the phone charging and sort of forgot to record. But cooking has been going along the way. Our chop suey is ready. Threw in a bit of pak choy there. So that's chop suey PP. We've got the mamui stir fry. Just give it a bit more time for the carrots, and then we'll throw in the cabbage and maybe some noodles. We've got our roast chicken and PP already in there. It's coming along well. And yeah, things are going really good at the moment. Jay there just chopping up some more PP and the cabbage. And we've got Louis getting some coconuts for the prawn. And got the dogs chilling. Everything's going on time. Added in the pak choy. Now we're going to go with the cabbage here, the round cabbage. Then we're going to add it into the stir fry, steam a bit, reduce down. It should be done. Got the shrimp in there, chicken, PP. So Louis' chicken is now done. Very nice. Very well done, Louis. It's very good. So today I'm like supervising, supervising. is ready. So we finished everything. Everything is cooked now. Just clear up the camera. We've got our chop suey, BB chop suey. We've got our falai mamoi, shrimp, umu, chicken, and roast. BB are already at the house. We've got more BB coming out of the oven soon. You guys see there. More BB here. So BB is turkey tail. They're just finishing up the okaku. And pretty much done now. So time is 11 o'clock on the dot, which is time for toonai. So gonna see if I can get us a sample plate and show you guys the results. Alright guys, so we finally come to the end of our episode today. Just want to say thank you guys if you've tuned in for this far and stayed along the entire cooking episode. Sorry it's getting a bit too many flies because it's super good right now, but finally made it to the end. I'm going to show you guys the results and yeah, let's get into it. Bam! Oh, Jesus! Oh, smokes! Alright, we'll start from this side. So we've got our falai mamoi with pak choy, round cabbage and carrots, and some noodles there. Got our roast chicken, cucumber salad. Got our PP, roast PP. Got our ayula vai, which is shrimp, and I think river prawns, yeah, they call it that. Got our sapasui PP, our taro, and our ulu. Bam! Look at that, man. It looks so good. Oh, jeez, man. Look at that shrimp. Ooh. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I enjoyed making it for you guys. I really appreciate the support for the channel. Just want to say thank you guys for coming along on this journey, and it's been a real pleasure to make videos for you guys because I know that you all enjoy it. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and yeah, we're gonna go enjoy toonai soon. Wait for the rest of the family to come over, and then we're gonna have toonai. But blessings to you guys. Have a great weekend. We'll hopefully catch you guys on our next episode. But until then, God bless. Stay safe. Take care, guys, and we'll see you soon.